Millions of Americans are currently leasing an apartment or home. But did you know that this large monthly payment is not being reported to the credit bureaus? Unfortunately, this means a majority of renters are missing out on the opportunity to build their credit score with their on-time rent payments. That's where Credit My Rent can help. Credit My Rent verifies on-time rent payments and reports them to TransUnion, helping to build, improve, and establish credit. Why is this important? The higher the credit score, the more opportunities for saving money by lowering interest rates and increasing financial opportunities. A good credit score is crucial in getting approved for a home or auto loan. Almost 50% of all consumers' credit profile is based on a combination of payment history and length of time an account is reported for, and Credit My Rent can help with both. Select plans offer the option of past reporting for up to 2 years. This means your client can gain credit for their previous on-time payments, which will have a great impact on their credit score. What do your clients need to know? Credit My Rent offers flexibility and allows reporting as either an individual or with a spouse or roommate. There are also 3 different plans to choose from. Bronze provides monthly reporting, Silver provides monthly reporting plus 1 year of past reporting, and Gold provides monthly reporting plus 2 years of past reporting.